Good afternoon. My name's Carol Harmer from Charmer Trading. Now, I'm going to show you the silver chart. Why I'm showing you the silver chart is where most traders make their fatal mistake, their flaw, if you like, is that they don't actually look at the markets on a Sunday and go through them. To be a good trader, to be a consistent trader, one, you have to believe in what you're doing. You have to believe with all your heart in charts or whatever it is you look at. And two, you can pick charts, you'll see them. You'll see patterns that form. You only need to trade 3-4 times a week, if that, because patterns and trades come up where you least expect them. Now, I'm looking at silver. I like the precious metals. Okay, I am a holder of physical silver from back in 2020. My husband thinks I'm crazy, but hey ho. I'm a holder of physical silver at $23. I have cut 3/4 of my position here. Do I want to be short? No. But this tells me at this particular time, silver's not going to go much higher. Now, thing is with the silver market, and most of the other markets that aren't the majors, is that they hold levels really, really well. So, for example, the top in silver was exactly the same price, 54, 37, 38. That was the high. And when you look at things that aren't where everybody else isn't looking, you will get a bigger feel for levels. It will give you more confidence, okay? And that's what education is all about. You can teach it yourself, because I did, although I do teach. But you need to be able to recognize these patterns, act on these patterns, and trade on these patterns, okay? They come up constantly, and it really is down to you to look through the charts and see where you see a good pattern. I trawl through charts, a lot of times a day. But mainly I do my work on a Sunday so that I have a list of what I think is going to go where and why I think it's going to do that. And, I can't do videos like this like all day long, because that's all I do. But I've got to tell you, silver's interesting. There are levels to watch. You can see it is holding on to that old 50, 55-day moving average. That's coming in at 49.98. You've got another one coming in at 49.98, 48.53. Really, I mean, what a chartist will tell you, or a technical analyst, whatever you want to call us, technical trader, that is my title. You wait until it breaks here. No, you don't. You preempt the move. Yeah. Because once the move breaks this, us professional traders are out here looking for this. If it breaks it, we go with it. And that's what you need to get across. To be a consistent, profitable trader, you need to know what you're looking at. You need to know what markets. You don't have to know a market. It doesn't matter what market it is, which is why I look at some weird and wonderful things. It doesn't matter what market it is. What matters is that you utilize the charts, and that will give you the profitability over the year that you need. I really hope that these videos are helping you, because it's not the doing them that takes the time, it's the loading them up. But I really hope you enjoy them, and take a look at that silver, see what it does.